Hey guys, GraphicFlow here, and in this video I'll be showing you my favorite items of the month of May, which features products from OneShine. So with all that said, let's start the video.
Yeah, want me back. I know they want me back. I see them down and out.
The first product we are checking out are the USB TypeC adapters. These allow you to connect your USB Type-C devices with the old-fashioned micro USB cables, which can be used for charging and transferring data. This is a simple yet effective product with a minimal OneShine branding. They come in two colours, which are silver and black. This product includes two adapters for the price of £4.79, plus you get an extra 30% off if you use the code shown in this video. The second product is a pair of gloves. Look, I know that these are not related anything to tech, but these are some awesome pair of gloves. These have the awesome cashmere wool material which makes the hand nice and warm. They also have this grippy material which ensures that you don't drop your belongings in cold temperatures. For some odd reason you get an iPhone 7 case for free. Anyway, the price of the gloves are £12.79 and use the code for 30% off. The next item is an iPhone 7 and 8 clear case. You get this product for free if you purchase the gloves. Usually it's £2.39, and don't forget the discount code which is shown throughout the video. Unlike other clear cases, it has a shock absorbent bumper and is anti-scratch resistant. The cutouts for the buttons, camera and speakers are precisely cut out. What I like about this case is the grippy texture on the sides and the slim look design. The next products are micro USB cables. The length of these cables are 1 meter, 3.3 foot. They deliver up to 2.4 amps, which is faster compared to other brands. OneShine create these in multiple colors. They have black, pink, red and black and silver option, but my favorite is the green and black one. These retail for £4.79 and you can get 30% off if you use the code shown in this video. The final product is a running belt bag. You can use this to store your phone, cash, wallet, keys and many more items. This goes around your waist. You get two zipped pockets to hold your items, plus it is waterproof. This is a great multi-purpose bag. This costs £7.79 plus get 30% off by using the code shown throughout this video. Thanks for watching the video. This has been GraphicFlow and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.
Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. They creeping right, creeping left.